Friends, welcome back to PCB Repair YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is 24-inch LED TV standby problem. So let's see. The AC cord input is on in the TV, but the LED TV indicator is not on. Today we will try to solve this problem. The name of the TV is Sunview China 24-inch LED TV. See here, the AC input is on. So let's get started in this video. Yes, I have opened the TV. Signs the indicator is not working. In this case, the problem must be in the motherboard. The number of the motherboard is TP.V56.PA671. This is the 12-volt output plus input socket. So we will first see if there are 12-volt here. First, I have input the AC cord. See here, but there are 12 volts present. However, the LED TV red indicator is not on. Then, let's see if there are 3.3 volt and 1.8 volt from regulator IC output. First, the input of the IC is 5 volts present. Then, the output is 1.8 volts here, but it is only 1.8 volts because the LED TV is in standby mode. Then look at 3.3 volts here, but 3.3 volts are present. Then I replace the LED TV to standby again. Then I see that the LED TV is not releasing standby. But I have disconnected the panel connection. Even then, the 12 volt of the panel are not present and the LED TV is not releasing standby. Guys, in that case, this transistor can be considered damaged. Then, if you see the transistor is not damaged, then wait to do look carefully. The emitter of this transistor is connected to the ground or negative, and through this resistor 5 volts will arrive at the collector, and from the base this resistor is connected to pin of the processor. If the processor is not working for any reason, the base will receive a 0.6 volts reverse bias. As a result, the collector will be 0 volts through the emitter. Now let's try to understand. We will the processor is not working. Then from the regulator IC here, 3.3 volts are first input the processor IC, satellite IC, memory IC. Then after releasing standby, the standard is automatically released. Here 3.3 volts are present in the intersection, but the standby release is not happening because the crystal here has a voltage of this crystal. That voltage is a problem. So let's go to that. Let's modify the voltage of the crystal with to 302 pfs. Let's say another things here. Until the crystal is turned on, the motherboard will be in standby mode and the LED indicator light may not be flashing. So we will modify the frequency voltage of the crystal. Here the input voltage of the crystal is 1.3 volts and the output voltage is 1.6 volts. But The problem here is that there should be including voltage at both ends, and this voltage will be sensed by the BIOS IC, meaning the memory IC. Here we will try to parallel the voltage with 103 PS. So let's connect the PS. Here I have connected the PFs. Now let's input the AC code to the LED TV so that the LED TV has been improved and the LED TV indicator light is flashed on. Friends, if you watch this video on Facebook, then be sure to follow the Facebook profile, and if you watch it on the YouTube channel, then I would like to request subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon next to it so that the notification reaches your device as soon as the video is uploaded later. Guys, everyone stay safe and healthy. Thank you.